We are down here at the Gulf Shores. We're getting ready to cook up some steaks. Actually, they're oh yeah. Actually, they're corn. We got some corn. We got some, yeah, go ahead and throw them on top of all that. And then we got some vegetable medley, corn, and the filet mignons we'll put on here in a minute. All of it? Yeah, all of it. There you go. All right. We're getting ready to...
alrighty, they spread it out.
That's good. That's good. We're getting ready to put some corn, everything on there. I guess what we need to do is Eric, give me that lighter. Let's light these. Oh, okay, we're good. That was pretty quick. All right, we're gonna get some corn and stuff on there first, and then we'll get back to the filet mignons, y'all. Like I said, we're out here at the Gulf Shores. Last night here, very last night here, and we're getting ready to do a little grilling. That's what we're getting ready to do. All right, we'll be back in a few. Y'all enjoy this video. This is Jeff's cooking adventure in the Gulf Shores. Yes. All right. Be back in a little bit. All right, guys, what we done here is we watered down the corn, waterlogged it, and then we put the vegetable medley on here in a pan with 2 beers, and we're gonna let this cook. It'll probably be 30 minutes to an hour, and then we're gonna bring the steaks down and put them on there. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Back to cooking. All right, we're gonna let these flames chill down just a bit, and then we're gonna close the lid. All right, guys, we just flipped this corn right here. It's still boiling right here on the vegetable medley, but we flipped the corn, so it's been on there about 15 minutes, but it's got to go a lot longer than that. So we'll get back with you here in just a few. All right, guys, what we done is we flipped these over after 8 minutes. 8 minutes. We're just letting the corn sit here and cook. That's all we're doing. We're letting these sit here and simmer. They're getting softer, so yeah, pretty good cook. We'll get back to y'all in a minute. All right, guys, it's been 8 more minutes on this side.
I took mine good, Joe.
You want yours done good?
Oh, yeah.
We're probably gonna flip these over one more time. They just got a report. They want them well done, so we're gonna cook them one more. Give them one more flip here. And the corn, yeah, it's doing really good. Really good. It's doing really good. All right, we're gonna flip this over. Oh yeah, vegetables is doing good. They're all nice and soft. That's what we want, y'all. That's how you do it. Be back in a minute. All right, guys, we flipped these around a couple times, and they are ready. Yes, sir. They look great. Everything looks great. This has been a really good cook. Vegetables soft. The corn is really soft. Let's get this on the dish. All right, we're gonna start with these filet mignons. Look at that. That's how you do it right there, y'all. Now the reason why I left a little, you can see that little plastic glue on there. It's high tempered plastic. It's not gonna melt when you grill. It holds the bacon on there, your bacon wrap. So that's why I left that on there. All right, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get the corn. Yes, we left this in the shuck. We watered it down and we put it on the grill, and that's what it turned out. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get these veggies off here, and then we're gonna go upstairs and we'll show you the end result. All right, y'all, this is what the corn turned out to be. Looks pretty good right now. There you go. A piece of it. All right. Right here. Right here. Right here. Okay. Big old steak out there. You pull that plastic thing out probably when you get ready. You don't have to be in there no more. Hopefully it's good. And we still have salad in the fridge right there. We got salad y'all in there. All right. Okay. We're gonna get the salad out. We're gonna do one plate. Papa's our guinea pig. He's gonna do one plate. He's gonna test everything. He's gonna test everything to see how it turns out. We want to see how everything turns out. All right. Okay, never mind. Here you go. Yeah, a little stalling right there. Okay. All right. Oh, butter. Gotta get butter on the corn. Mountain Dew? Let me smell your breath.
That's it.
All right. Well, Papa, I want to see you cut into that steak and tell me what it tastes like. We've got to try. That's not gonna work. All right, let's see, y'all. We've got a lot going on here. A lot going on. Crystal ball come through here and shook us all up. This is all we've got. So, Papa's he's got some.
I'm eating it too.
All right.
All right. Everybody else.
What does it taste like?
Real good. Tender. And there's the bacon.
All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Till the next adventure, next time.